Yeah, and Bill and Candace, Governor Northam covering several avenues today in terms of the government response to the coronavirus, both the health crisis portion and the economic crisis that will follow. Main one for us is that he has selected that, for lack of a better term, field hospital for when that surge hits, right here behind me at the Richmond Convention Center. While eyeing a surge of COVID-19 cases sometime in May, Governor Ralph Northam has picked 3 sites to serve as additional care facilities, including the Richmond Convention Center.
The next steps are to complete contracts, move into design, and then to construction. Teams are moving fast, and we expect these alternative care sites to be ready in about 6 weeks.
Northam says when finished, the 209,000 square foot convention center will be able to hold 432 acute beds or 758 non-acute beds. Officials say the role of these facilities will be to take pressure off existing hospitals when the surge hits.
When a health system is taking care of a patient, they are almost ready for discharge or towards the end of discharge, we can get them out of that facility as they take care of the sickest patients. So to have large numbers of spaces strategically placed throughout the Commonwealth is critically important.
And while preparing for the health crisis of COVID-19, officials gave more detail Friday as to how they're preparing for the economic crisis it will cause for the state's budget.
We can expect to have significantly less revenue than even our most pessimistic forecast.
Northam says he's directed agency heads to stop discretionary spending and to plan for budget cuts starting in the next budget cycle.
And we are directing our budget experts to re-examine funding that was planned for new initiatives and avoid any new commitments. We have to rearrange our priorities now. Now, Governor Northam also issued a warning to Virginians as we head into the weekends. He says that he has spoken with the directors of the agencies who manage the public parks, the wildlife preserves, and other public lands. And he says that he is getting reports of people still going there and gathering in large groups and not practicing social distancing. You may remember that stay-at-home order was issued Monday after last weekend when he saw people gathering on the beaches and in parks. And he says that if people continue to disobey these orders, he might have to close the state parks and those preserves to the public. And he says he doesn't want to do that because of the actions of a few irresponsible people. Working for you in Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.